The boardroom, where ideas come through. The boardroom, power your idea.
Pooja Agnihotri, a marketing guru and author, says, the life cycle of a highly successful product is like the curve of a hill. It goes down, up, and then down again. Welcome to the boardroom. I'm Moses Iheanacho. Please join our YouTube family by subscribing and chatting with us on business issues. Today, we are looking at 5 reasons businesses fail. Now, what do you understand by business failure? Business failure happens when a company stops operation following its inability to make profit or bring in enough revenue to cover its expenses. At that point, we say the business has failed. There are several reasons business fails, but I'm going to explain 5 most critical ones. And the first I would like to talk about is lack of market research. Not carrying out market research is one of the key problems for new businesses. It's easy to get carried away with a new business idea. When you set up a business without testing its viability in the market, you may struggle in the course of doing the business. Let me tell you what market research does to a business. Market research will help you maintain a customer-centric approach. Customer-centric approach. What that means is that you are putting the customer first and making sure your customer is at the center of everything you do. Market research will help you identify opportunities for growth. You will be able to identify your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. I'm talking about SWOT analysis here. Market research will help you reduce risk by testing your concept before investing your money. You'll be able to make informed decisions to enable you to compete effectively or more effectively. So you need a market research to avoid failure. The second reason businesses fail is lack of unique selling proposition. Some will call it unique selling point, USP. USP is one thing that makes your business better than the competition. It's a specific and clear benefit that makes your business stand out when compared to other businesses in the market. Your USP should focus on what your customers value. An effective USP should force you to make a case against competing products. So for you to come up with a good USP, you will have to make sure that it has these 5 basic components that I'm about to discuss with you. There must be benefits in your USP. It has to elicit emotive response. It must have a key selling point. There should be key difference. And then it should have competitive advantage. Let me just give you a couple of examples. The USP of Coca-Cola is refresh the world, make a difference. Refresh the world, make a difference. The USP of WhatsApp is it does not have advertisement. It does not have advertisement. WhatsApp chose this USP because they don't interrupt you with advertisements. Users enjoy all day texting without any worry of interruptions. And of course, when you're chatting on WhatsApp, do you see any adverts? No is the answer. So as a business owner, you need to sum up your company's unique strengths in a simple sentence that everyone can understand. The third reason business fails is low sales or no sales at all. When sales is declining, you will have less money to cover the operating cost of your business. Your marketing expenses will not be taken care of. Salaries will not be paid. So what are you supposed to do at this point? All you have to do is to go back to your 4 P's of marketing and perfect the marketing mix. Check if you really communicate what the product provides the customers. Are you able to convey your solution to the market? Check if you demonstrate why the product's value fits the price. You have to also find out if your product appears in the places where your target audience will encounter them. And finally, promotion wants you to check if you use effective promotion strategies to reach potential customers. Number 4 reason business fails is insufficient capital. Insufficient capital could also mean there is no fund. So I would just encourage you to go to our YouTube channel and watch how to fund your business ideas. Insufficient capital is a critical factor that poses serious challenges to most small businesses. So go there and watch our video for a detailed strategy of funding your business idea. Finally, the number 5 reason businesses fail is no mentorship. The main purpose of a mentor is to help you answer specific questions. A mentor will share with you their knowledge and contacts, which they have harvested through their years of experience. But these days, people, even inexperienced people, just wake up one day and want to do it all alone. And that's risky. Even the famous founders of world-class companies, from time to time, they got by a little help or one form of advice or the other. Nobody is too big to have a mentor. So find yourself a mentor who believes in you, and your life would change forever. Next week, Tuesday, I'll be telling you a story of how Apple came back from a business failure. So keep a date with us. Many thanks for watching. That's a place to leave it for today. I'm Moses Iheanacho. Bye for now.
The boardroom.